Ela mourns the death of Judge Katzmann. Judge Katzmann was a brilliant judge and jurist, but he was also extremely kind and compassionate. His influence spread well beyond the walls of the courtroom. The Ela community and the immigration bar will forever remember Judge Katzmann for his tireless efforts in ensuring that immigrants were represented by competent counsel, especially in deportation proceedings. I remember in 2008 when Judge Katzmann delivered a seminal lecture in the Great Hall of the New York City Bar Association. The room was packed with distinguished lawyers, judges, and bar leaders. Judge Katzmann said in that speech that serving immigrants, even in a pro bono capacity, was not an act of charity or benevolence, but it was a duty on the part of the lawyer to do so because the state has given the lawyer a monopoly over legal services. Those words have always left an indelible impact on me. After his speech, we at Ela in the New York chapter formed an initiative along with the New York City Bar Justice Center to represent immigrants at the Varick Street Detention Center. A few years later, Ela established a pro bono clinic at its annual conference. This pro bono clinic continues till this date, and it's in its 10th year. Judge Katzmann found a study group, and lawyers, many of whom were Ela members, concluded that if immigrants were served by competent lawyers, their chances of success and their chances of defending themselves in deportation proceedings were much greater. As a result of these efforts, the Immigration Justice Corps was founded. This was an organization, the first of its kind, that attracts top law graduates who commit to serving the needs of immigrants for a year or two. There's also now a New York Defender project that ensures that detained immigrants in New York get representation. These efforts have been great and filled the gaps, but more has to be done. They have to be replicated on a national level. We need to also ensure that Congress passes a law so that immigrants get competent counsel, especially in deportation proceedings. No non-citizen should ever get deported without competent counsel. If we can achieve this, Judge Katzmann's vision will be fulfilled. We should try to do everything possible to fulfill this vision. Judge Katzmann will be happy wherever he is if we can achieve this and continue in these efforts. Thank you for everything you have done, Judge Katzmann. We will always remember you. Rest in peace.